Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the details of the heavy-duty boat anchor kit, a must-have for any boat owner looking for reliability and ease of use. This all-in-one kit includes a galvanized steel fluke anchor, 8 feet of 5/16" galvanized steel anchor chain with bow shackles, and 100 feet of 3/8" nylon rope with a stainless steel eyelet, making it perfect for boats ranging from 20 to 32 feet in length. Whether you're navigating pontoon boats, deck boats, center consoles, or sailboats, this 13-pound fluke anchor, combined with its weighted chain and durable rope, ensures your vessel stays secure on various seafloors, including sand and mud. Designed for both fresh and saltwater use, the galvanized steel components offer maximum corrosion protection, while the nylon rope adds flexibility and strength. Our fluke-style anchor is crafted with high tensile strength and superior dig, providing outstanding stability and peace of mind. As a family-owned American business, Better Boat Products is dedicated to delivering premium quality and exceptional customer service, standing firmly behind the craftsmanship of our products. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more boating essentials and tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.